Today we are going to see the text to column. Okay, so example, there are some text is there. Example, I am just writing example robert@gmail.com, elon@gmail.com, or clinton@yahoo.com. Okay, so in this case, if you want to convert this text to column, right? So example, you want to split between this @ symbol is there, right? So example, you want to mention it like robot one cell and another cell gmail.com, right? So how to do it? So let me take an example. Okay, so I have selected this one. Now I'm going to the data and text to column. Once you click the text to column, then you select the delimited, okay, and you select it next, and then since you want to convert the or you want to separate by the @ right? So you select other and you select @ okay. So then once you click next, this will get separated. Okay, now I'm just clicking finish. Once you click finish, this will get separated. Now see here, earlier it was robert@gmail.com was there, elon@gmail.com was there, clinton@yahoo.com was there, right? So now this got separated. Now if you see here, it become like the value was there in the column B, and the desired value again it started with column B itself. Now you want to make it like robot@gmail.com at it here, but you want to the desired result you want to see in the column D, right? So in this case, you just select it here and then you select the text to column and you delimit it and click next at @ and then you want to click next. Here the destination cell is there, right? B3, right? So here instead of B3 you want to make it like D3, right? So then you just click OK, and then you just click finish. So in this case, what will happen? The parent source will be there as is, and then the desired result it will become at the destination cell. Okay. So now take one more example. So this Robert John. Okay. Next is Rahul Bajaj. Okay, example Ricky Punting. Okay, now this part, okay, you want to segregate in between their first name and last name. Okay, so in this case you just select it and again you just select to text to column and then delimited, select the delimited and you click next, and then here you want to segregate through the tab. Okay, so I'm just clicking tab, I'm clicking next. Now here if you will see, I'm clicking finish. So it didn't happen because there was no tab was there. So I'm just clicking text to column and delimit it. So here in the space you want to classify through space. Okay, because in between the first name and last name there is space is there. So you are classifying, you are separating the value with the space, right? So I'm just clicking space and then I'm just clicking the next. Okay, when I'm clicking next, I'm just clicking the destination cells. Again, if you will put, by default it is coming to the B because the origin started with the B itself. Now if you want to change it to D, so you just click it destination cell and give the reference number. So then once you click OK, finish, then the value it will get changed. So this the text it converted to column. Now take an example, one more point. So I'll just take the same example. Instead of space, I am having the comma. Okay. So when I am having comma, so see here I am having comma in between the name. Now I want to classify, I want to separate between the when the comma is there. Okay, so again I'll select it here, then I'm clicking the text to column, and again same thing, delimited, next. So instead of space I'll put comma. Okay, then I'm just clicking next. Once you clicking next, again here, but you can select the destination cell, and then you just click next and you click finish it, right? So then again the text it converted to columns. Now take an example, one more example. Instead of comma, you are instead of semicolon, okay, instead of comma you are putting the semicolon. Okay, so here you see I'm just giving different examples so that it will be easy for your understanding. Semicolon, again same thing, you can convert text to column and delimit it, next. So instead of comma you will select the semicolon and click next. So here the data preview also it's showing, right, how the data will get preview. Before clicking next button you can see and confirm it. Now click next. Okay, again here you can select the destination cell, click destination cell, and then click finish. Now see here, this also take this text be converted to columns. Okay, so take an example, one more example. Okay, so example, you want to classify into here. Again you want to separate it, not classify, you want to separate. So example text to column. So let's see what is fixed width. Okay, so I'm just clicking fixed width, and then I'm clicking next. When I'm clicking next, at what time you want to break this line? Okay, so to break a line, click at the desired position. Example, first you want to click at the second letter, right? So click on the second letter. You click second letter, one time you click, it became one line it come. So again example, another two letter, again you clicking one line, so another letter, right? So three space, first is I give two space, second is I give two, third three space. So you want to make two space, again make it. Okay, so based on this you select it here and you click next, then you click again destination cell, you can change it and click finish. Now see here, based on the selection also this can be converted to column. Okay, so this is how you should know, we will be using this function of text to columns, and then we can, it will be easy for us to convert it. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.